Will you blame concrete and blame iron rod for collapse of building? No. If you don't do the right mix, the building will have to come down. Did parliamentary system fail? No, we failed it. In 1960, the content of our government was imbalanced. There were instigations. What happened in the Western Regional Assembly was instigation to cause chaos. And then that's the beginning of the failure. Nothing wrong with parliamentary system at all, but we didn't practice it properly. That's just the first step. Now we move to presidential system. It's a very expensive system if you want to practice it. But we are so poor. We have executive president, executive governors, executive chairman, local government. In my region alone, Southwest, there are 137 LGA chairmen drawing money. There are 177 assembly members drawing salary. They meet only twice a week. Is that a balanced system?